Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Notion with Slack. So simply in order to do this, just you have to open Notion and Slack websites in the same tab and just simply log into your accounts from Notion and Slack. After that, just you can see the Zapier is open here. Simply just click on create a Zap, and now in the app event just simply here select the Notion, and now after that just here choose an event, and after that click on continue. So now here you can also see the action, so simply just click here, and now here just you have to search for Slack. So as you can see, Slack is appeared here. Simply just select it, and after that just click on choose an event, and here you can select, and after that click on continue. So in this way you can easily integrate Notion with Slack.